Locate the bulb you intend to replace.
We were able to access this bulb by simply reaching our hand behind the housing.
Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pull the bulb to remove it from the socket. Never touch the bulbs with bare hands. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe off the bulb if you touch it. Using a quality bulb is of paramount importance. With over 100 years of lighting expertise, Sylvania offers lights with quality components, longer life, and optimal performance. Sylvania also offers a direct install replacement option to easily upgrade from traditional bulbs to LED lights, providing you with longevity, performance, and style. Insert the new bulb into the socket. You should feel it click. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it.